mind.
What's wrong?
They won't eat it out of my hand.
I think he's looking for you.
More? You want more? Here, Bun Bun.
Just hold still. There you go.
Oh, now they're eating. Now he's drinking.
Mm-hmm.
I think he's just washing his mouth.
Yeah. Don't scare him.
Okay, I think I want to be done feeding them.
Okay.
I think we should take them out for a walk.
For a walk?
Yeah.
Like on a harness?
But how?
Like on a harness like we do with the doggies?
Yeah.
They could just hop around?
Yeah, we can let him hop around for a little bit.
That would be pretty sweet.
Should we?
That's a good idea. We'll have to go get a harness though.
Should we leave the cage open?
No. They'll run away if you leave it open.
Oh, don't close that door. Because I'm like, you go get a leash. Come on.
Don't pick your nose. Hey.
Go pick your nose off.